In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change both the font color and the selected option's background color in a drop-down question using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. Let's begin by previewing your drop-down question. As you can see, the default background color for the selected option is yellow. If you'd like to customize this to match your project's design, we'll show you exactly how to do that. Go ahead and close the slide preview. Now create a new trigger that runs JavaScript when the timeline starts. In the JavaScript window, paste the code provided. This script lets you customize both the background color of the selected option and the font color in the drop-down menu. To change the background color, simply replace the hex color code in the script. To change the font color, update the font color code as well. Click OK to save your changes, then preview the slide again. You'll now see that your drop-down shows your custom font color and selected option color. And that's it. You've successfully customized your drop-down menu using JavaScript in Storyline 360 project. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.